also right here. I'm in my way for laundry today. Got a lot of stuff. And we're gonna see you in a bit. Bye. Watch today, but you're not gonna get watch it. It's fake, guys. I'm just doing. Sorry, guys. We leave you there for a long time. This asshole right here freaking covered the freaking damn camera. Sorry, guys, but hi, guys. We're right now in laundry, almost finishing, halfway finishing. Here with the Lego heavy. You already have been washed, but I didn't record it. I forgot. You're gonna dry up because you were wet. Somehow I found a puddle. I didn't get wet. Only the GoPro got wet. I'm so sorry, guys. Tried to do parkour. Parkour wrong. I jumped. I did a 360 back kick, and then I fell. I fell. Oh my God! I was so sad, but I didn't record. Got a little bit wet. Half of the camera didn't get wet. Lucky me. Everything got wet. Okay, here we're gonna put you. Okay, bye guys. Hope you die. Don't die actually. Okay? East to the east is the middle and the east. Die, okay? Don't die, okay? Sure. Lost my GoPro. So guys, if you like that video, please. Hello guys, Tutti right here. We just came back from laundry yesterday. We were like in the hospital. Jessica made me do a dare that a nurse is beautiful, and then yeah, they made me do it. Oh, ice cream, nigga, ice cream. Enjoy the video and enjoy next time. Bye.
Got this, man.
Excuse me. Hi. You look beautiful.
Oh, hey, where are you?
Yes.
Where are you? What are you doing there?
Remember, guys, subscribe, dislike, good night.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.